Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today we are going to see how to make a very popular Malaysian recipe which is a fusion of the Indian and the Malaysian cuisine, and it is called the Nasi Chicken Biryani. It is so popular that it is even served as a street food all across Malaysia and in Singapore. So let's see how to make this amazing recipe. For that I have a kilo of chicken over here. I'm going to marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of fennel powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder, a cup of yogurt, and some salt to taste. I'd prefer to marinate this at least for 8 to 10 hours, but even an hour will do. While the chicken is getting marinated, let's prepare the rice. I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of ghee as well. The oil is hot. I'm going to add 1 inch of cinnamon, 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns, and just saute this till they release an aroma. Let's add 2 medium onions that I have sliced here, and we're going to fry this till it's soft and translucent. The onions have turned soft and translucent. I'm going to add a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste and a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, and just saute this till the raw smell goes off. I'm going to add a cup of tomato puree to this. I'm going to saute this till oil separates slightly. The oil has separated. I'm going to add some lemongrass. We're going to add 6 cups of water. One cup of coconut milk. Here I have soaked a few strands of saffron in half a cup of water. We're going to add that as well, and I'm going to rinse this and add half more cup of water. And now in this water I'm going to add salt. Stir this well. Here I have 4 cups of basmati rice which I had soaked for an hour. Stir this gently. A teaspoon of turmeric powder, and cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame till the rice is done. We'll head on for the gravy with the chicken while the rice is getting cooked. I'm going to heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add some whole spices. 1 inch of cinnamon, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns. And now I'm going to add 2 medium onions that I have sliced. And I'm going to saute them till they are nice golden brown in color. The onions are nice and golden. I'm going to add the marinated chicken. A tablespoon of minced garlic. A tablespoon of minced ginger. And I'm going to saute this on a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check the rice. I'm sure it must be done. And now I'm going to just cover this and cook it on a medium flame till the chicken is done. While the chicken is getting cooked, let's fry some cashew nuts on the side. I'm going to heat a tablespoon of ghee, and I'm going to add a few whole cashew nuts. and just toss them till they are nice and golden. Let's keep this aside. We kept the chicken to cook for almost 20 minutes and this is done. Let's switch off the flame and serve this nasi chicken biryani. Now in this flat dish, I'm going to serve the rice. Just remove the lemongrass. Now you have the option of either serving the chicken on the rice or on the side. I'm going to serve it on the side. Now let's garnish the rice with the fried cashew nuts and some raisins. And our nasi chicken biryani is ready to be served. It's a very easy recipe. Do try this. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.